Group 4 project by Slate Fluker, Sam Shear, Simon Kofsky, and Matt Oberholzer. Before we get into the types of sustainability, it's important to define what sustainability actually means. So the definition of sustainability is meeting the needs of the present without compromising the needs of the future. So in this project, we're going to be examining three types of sustainability, and that's economic, environmental, and social. What makes a house environmentally sustainable? Before we get into ways of doing this, we should define what environmentally sustainable means. All this means is a state in which the demands placed on the environment can be met without reducing its capacity to allow all people to live well now and in the future. So with an environmentally sustainable house, you're going to have better longevity and strength compared to other housing methods. Two ways of doing this would be water conservation and heat insulation. If your house is properly insulated, you can keep all your heat from your home inside. So during times of harsh winters, your house is going to stay heated compared to other houses. When your house is cold, you're more susceptible to colds, the flu, and other bad diseases. So what makes a house economically sustainable? Well, before looking into this problem, you're going to need to know that the housing industry is one of the most profitable markets in the economy. The housing market has grown tremendously, but that does not mean your house will grow. Because over time, depending on your neighborhood or things about the house, or if you're in a flood location, your house value is going to go up or down. But typically, the average house has increased since 2015. So, like I mentioned earlier, the idea of investing makes a house economically sustainable because over time, your house value is going to grow and you're going to end up making money by selling it at a higher price. So what makes a house sustainable in terms of society? Proper air conditioning and heat is one of the most important aspects in any social circumstance. So if you're living in a city with harsh winters, you're going to need to be able to provide heat to your house, or else you're not going to be able to survive in any society. Another one is proper infrastructure. Just with weather conditions that could occur, if you do not have proper infrastructure, your house could burn down, or it could tear apart, or it could flood even. So that is really important wherever you're located. You're going to need access to public roads. So if your house is close to public roads, you're able to get to places, and that makes it easy to get to supermarkets or wherever you need to go, and it's just more efficient when you're closer to public roads. A safe neighborhood is always important because when you're safe, you feel like it's home and you feel secure, and also engagement in society. So basically participating in neighborhood activities, talking to your neighbors, becoming friends with them, and all of that. As you can see for here, this is our floor plan. At the very top, we have the front door where you enter the house. And once you enter, to your right, you'll see the living room where there's couches, TVs, and just a place to hang out. To your left, you'll see the master bedroom. This is where the people who are living in this home will sleep at night. And if you keep going straight, you'll find the kitchen where the food is made, and the dining room where whoever's living there is going to be eating the food. Right next to the dining room, we have another bedroom. So if the family has kids, or they could make it a guest room for anyone who wants to, or if they want to have people over, they could put them there. And then below the dining room, we have the patio. We just put in a patio because we feel like it'd be a great place to just, relax outside and have fun, just invite people over. And then below the patio, we have a back door where you can exit out of. It's important to know that our house is 18 inches in width and 12 inches in length, as you can see on the paper. This is our Group 4 project. Thank you for watching.